Hey everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we help you ace your SATs with ease. Today we have a great problem to solve involving percentages and systems of equations. So grab your pencils and let's get started. Here is the problem. Sam scored 80% on part A of a math test and 90% on part B of the math test. His total mark on the test was 63. The total possible marks for the test was 75. Which systems of equations represents this situation? So there are options. So we're given 80A plus 92B is equal to 63 and A plus B is 75 in the choice A. In choice B we have 0.80A plus 0.92b equals 63 and a plus b is 75, and the choice C 80a plus 92b is equal to 75, a plus b is 63, and the choice D is given as 0.80a plus 0.92b equals 75 and a plus b is given as 63. Alright, let's break this down step by step. First, let's define our variables. We'll let A be the we'll let A be the total possible marks from part A. In the test part A, this is we have, and the B for the total possible marks for the part B. Now we know that Sam scored 80% on the part A. So 80% was on part A, and there is also, so actually let's do this first. So if we want to express this as a part of a total possible marks, we should write 80% means in mathematics, you all know that it's 0.80 A. Similarly, for part B, since he scored 92%, we write as 0.92 B. So next we know that the sum of his scores from part A and part B gives his total mark, which is given as 63. So we can write the equation as 0.80A, let me correct this, 0.80A plus 0.92B is equal to 63. And in the next one, it's going to be A plus B will be the total number of questions given as 75. And if you just pay attention to these questions, and the right choice will be the choice B for the specific question. I hope this helps you to tackle similar problems on your SATs. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.